Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, this body is a stud M20, and first lecture is a stud M12, and this lecture is a stud M20, and both is a very important lecture. And this parts is a drawing. This nut is this is a user, and first lecture is a this nut is a user. But this is a very important bolt, a stud M20, and this is a 2D drafting is also available here, and cosmetic thread is also available here. And this is isometric view, and this is a front view, and this is a right view, and this is a top view. And this 10mm is radius, and this diameter is 20mm. Is diameter is same. And guys, this is a symbol body, and how to this body's all parts one by one is drawing here. And this body is a stop wall project, and this is a very nice looking here and very important. And okay, and okay, this is a very important lecture, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly today discuss here. Okay, this lecture is very important, and this is both side is a cosmetic thread is also you can see here easily. But this body is a material is apply here is a nickel. Okay, let's start here. This body is design, and okay, at first going to this part, and some setting is very important, and going to this okay, going to this appearance, this is plain white, and going to this apply a scene, and again select this option, and going to this document properties, and image quality is very high because all geometry line is looking perfect. Okay, and okay, all is perfect. Okay, and this geometry is drawing here, and this is at first drawing this 10mm is diameter, radius, and diameter is 20mm. Okay, this full length is at 24mm, and this is a 24mm, and both is a upper side and lower side is both same. And this chamfer is used here a 2mm 45° angle. Okay, cosmetic thread is apply here M20, size is M20, and length is a 24mm is this, and a standard is ISO, both is same here. Okay, at first select a right plane is better, and use this and corner rectangle is select here, drawing any geometry is drawing here, and mention any dimension is this 10mm, and this length is a 74mm. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and this going to revolve boss base, and revolve boss base is apply here, and select this and okay, and chamfer is apply here this 2mm 45° angle, and both edge is select here one by one, and click OK. And material is apply here this going to metal and nickel, and material is this. Okay, nickel is a perfect material, and this is looking perfect, and a separate material is also select here, but this metal is looking perfect. Okay, again select a option, going to again select a going to option. Okay, and going to document properties, and going to detailing, and shaded cosmetic thread is showing here because at first this is a check here, but this is a not check, then cosmetic thread is not showing here, and this is a click here and click OK and apply a cosmetic thread, and going to insert and annotation, and cosmetic thread is a this, and select this edge, and select this face. Okay, and a standard is ISO, machine thread is okay, and going to this M20 millimeter and blind, and this length is a 24 millimeter. Okay, but this cosmetic thread is showing here because already is a check here detailing view, and this is a correct, but this is a detailing is not unchecked, then this cosmetic thread is not showing here, and click OK, and again select a insert annotation and cosmetic thread, and click this lower side, and again select of this face. Okay, and a standard is ISO, and machine thread is correct, and size is M20, and also this blind, this length is a 24 millimeter. Okay, and click OK. Okay, but this upper side is cosmetic thread is not showing here, and going to this first thread is a edit feature, and click OK, and both is a showing here easily. Okay, and all is correct, and all dimension and all geometry is a choose here, and all is perfect and correct. Okay guys, all point is learn here easily and clearly, and guys I hope you will learn all point is learn here easily and clearly. And guys, get at first more and more new videos, please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.